In front of me is Doro 8100, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Begin by opening Play Store and opening your search bar to type in DevCheck. Then download free app from Flare to Developer, DevCheck device and system info, and when it's ready, launch it. As you can see, after that you can learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!